Today I'm going to be taking a look at the Fifine K678 cardioid condenser microphone. The K78 aims to provide a great sounding, budget-friendly alternative to its pricier counterparts, while still including all the features needed for great sounding videos or broadcasts. Now let's head into the unboxing and take a closer look. We have a user manual and warranty card, the microphone and the adjustable stand, a 6.5 foot mini USB cable, and a 5/8 male to 3/8 female adapter. The mic isn't very big and it's fully made of metal, including the mesh top and stand. By loosening or tightening the knobs on the sides of the microphone, you'll be able to adjust your angle to suit your microphone placement. On the front of the microphone, we have the LED indicator to let you know when the mic is active or muted. When the LED indicator is green, that means it's live, and when it's red, it means that it's muted. Just below the indicator light, you have the mute button. On the opposite side of the microphone, we have the gain control dial, as well as the headphone volume dial. On the bottom, we have the headphone jack, USB output, and the 3/8 threading. Okay, so up until now, I've been using Audacity and the K78 to overdub the audio for this video. And for the remainder of the video, I'm going to be using the Fifine mic along with OBS. The mic setup is straightforward. Plug in the supplied USB cord into the computer and the mic will power up and get detected. Now you'll probably have to relaunch any recording apps that you already have open to make sure that the app detects the mic. In terms of the physical setup, since this is a cardioid microphone, you're going to want to make sure that you're talking directly into the front of the microphone here, where you see the Fifine logo and the LED indicator lights, as it's meant to pick up the sounds directly in front of the microphone. That being said, it doesn't mean that it's going to completely block out the sounds from behind the microphone. Let me demonstrate how the audio changes as I speak into the microphone from the side and the back. Microphone sound test from the side, microphone sound test from the back. When going through the side and the back sample, you probably noticed that the audio levels went down quite a bit and it became a much tinnier experience. So that's why it's always important to be talking to the front of the mic and not through the sides or the back. Throughout the video, I've been about 6 to 8 inches away from the mic and I have the gain set at 0. Now I'm going to start slowly increasing the gain to see how well it does at higher levels. Here we go with the microphone gain test. I'm going to start slowly increasing it until we get to 100%. Right now, I'm still maintaining my distance and still talking at the same levels that I was talking before. And I'm slowly hearing my voice starting to get amplified. And I'm just going to keep on going here until it gets all the way up to 100%. The one thing I'm also noticing as I am increasing it is that every little touch I do on the mic, it is providing some feedback on there. And right now I am at 100% and there is a little bit of distortion, but it's not too bad. So now I'm just going to take it down a little bit, all the way down to 0 like I had it before. And that will be the end of the gain test. So one of my observations while using this microphone, it is sensitive to movements. So if you are someone that likes to move around, you'll just want to make sure that you don't touch your microphone. And I'll just show you a quick example of what I mean. And now I'm going to lift it in the air, I'm going to move it around, and you can hear that it catches and provides a little bit of feedback as you're moving it. Now the way to get around that is by hitting the mute button, and I'll do that right now so you can see what I mean. That being said, if you are someone that likes to move, just make sure to not touch the mic, otherwise you are going to get some feedback in your production. One of the other things I like about professional type microphones is the ability to monitor the audio that's being recorded in real time. As a content creator, taking advantage of this feature could save you hours of having to re-record footage due to bad audio. Next up, if you're on the fence about which mic to get, I'm going to be doing an audio comparison against the Blue Yeti microphone, which is about 3 times the cost of the K78. Okay, so here I'm going to do a reading test with the Blue Yeti microphone, and then I will then switch over to the Fifine and do the exact same reading. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy. No, by gosh, he wasn't, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy. No, by gosh, he wasn't, was he? So this is where I'm going to end the video today. Overall, I thought the microphone did a great job at a really good price point. And if you're a new YouTuber, if you're a new podcaster, and you just want to get better audio, this is going to be more than enough. So if you could save $100, why not? So thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. And until then, I'll see you on the next one.